back to 20 car. The 2026 Genesis G80 Unofficial Concept takes Korean luxury to new heights, offering a sleek sedan that blends performance, technology, and artistry. The exterior is minimalist yet commanding, with a crest grille framed by ultra-thin quad LED lights. A long, sweeping profile and coupe-like roofline emphasize elegance, while aerodynamic sculpting adds modern athleticism. Inside, the G80 Concept is a rolling lounge. Premium Korean leather, open-pore wood, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of serenity. A wraparound OLED display integrates seamlessly with haptic touch controls, while AI voice assistance personalizes every detail from climate to drive mode. Rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, individual entertainment screens, and even a built-in fragrance diffuser. Underneath the beauty lies engineering strength. Genesis envisions a high-performance hybrid V6 paired with dual electric motors, generating 650 horsepower with all-wheel drive precision. The suspension adapts in real time, delivering both limousine-like comfort and sharp handling on winding roads. The 2026 G80 Concept is proof that Genesis is no longer a challenger, it's a leader in redefining global luxury.